byte streams, character streams, data streams, and object streams. And separate streams are also present, special streams known as buffered streams, like buffered by okay. We started with byte streams. Okay, we know when you speak about byte streams, in byte streams, data will be transferred in the form of bytes, and the length of each data packet is of 1 byte, right? And when you're speaking about byte streams, there are two abstract classes are there. What are those? Input stream, output stream. For input stream, we are having an implementation class known as file input stream. And for output stream, we are having an implementation class known as file output stream. Just a second, let me try to yeah, for input stream, file input stream. For output stream, file output stream. File input stream, we are having read method. The return type for the read method is int. It is going to return the ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. And if there are no characters present in the file, it is going to return -1. But when you're speaking about write method, of course, it is a parameterizer method, only one parameter. It is going to accept either int or binary. So yesterday we have read the data, write the data, and we copied the data by using these byte streams. And yesterday I gave a small task also. I gave a small task. How many of you did that? Everyone? Then why only few people messaged me in Instagram? Down. I got only 3 to 4 people messaged me in Instagram. What about others? If possible, if you done the task, kindly please try to message me, guys. I love to validate your work. Okay. All right. So these are all the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's session. Today, we will be trying to complete character streams, buffered byte streams, buffered character streams also. So first, let us try to discuss about CHRACT character streams. Okay, character streams. Okay, first things first. What are these character streams? In character streams, data will be transferred in the form of characters, and the length of each data packet is of 2 bytes. In character streams, in character streams, data will be transferred in the form of in the in the form of characters and the length of each data packet is of 2 bytes. Kindly please do remember this. Okay. Let me just try to keep it like this. Okay. Now I'm going to keep it like this. Right. Now, just like byte streams, for character streams also, we are having two abstract classes known as reader and writer. Reader and writer. These two are abstract classes. Just let me try to keep it like this. Okay. Two abstract classes which are present in character strings. Now, as these are abstract classes, obviously we should be having an implementation class. The implementation class for reader is file reader. The implementation class for writer is file writer class. Implementation class. Now, just exactly like file input stream, exactly like file input stream for reader also, we are having, just give me a minute. Okay, I guess, yeah. For reader also, we are having a method known as read method. Read method. The return type for this read method is int. It is going to return the ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. Same, exactly like same. It is going to return the ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. And if there are no characters present in the file, it is going to return -1. Exactly the same. Now, coming to file writer, here also we are having write method. Here also we are having write method. Here also it is a parameterizer method, only one parameter, and that single parameter can be either int or a string, either int or string, string, not byte array. It is string. Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. I guess you are following here. I guess you are following. One more time, I am saying this. In character streams, data will be transferred in the form of characters. The length of each data packet is of 2 bytes. In character streams also, we are having two abstract classes, reader, writer. As those are abstract classes, obviously we are supposed to have a implementation class. For reader, the implementation class is file reader. For writer, the implementation class is file writer. When you're speaking about file reader, we are having one method. What is that method? Read method. Return type for that read method is int. It is going to return the ASCII values of the characters which are present in the file. And if there are no characters present in the file, then read method is going to return -1. Coming to file writer, we are having write method. Or of course, it is a parameterizer method, only one parameter. It is a parameterizer method, only one parameter. It will accept only one parameter, and that single parameter can be either int or, if you're not responding, I'll not accept. Tell me, either int or string. Okay, right. Now, guys, yesterday I told you to please practice our STS program and then come to today's class. Did you practice? Honestly, tell me. Okay, then we'll do one thing. Guys, you know what? Yesterday for byte streams, we took the entire session. Entire session, yesterday we discussed only about byte streams. Today, by using character streams also, I want to write three methods: reading, writing, copying. Same, three methods. I want to see how much time we are going to take. Shall we? Shall we? You need to help me with my code. You need to help with the code, okay? All right, we'll do one thing. Let us try to make this a little bit interesting. I'll be stopwatch, not speed test. It's stopwatch. Okay. Okay. We'll see how much time it is going to take for us to write our HTS program. But today we are dealing with character strings, right? Let's go. Start. Void file operations file operations one system.out.println. Tell me, reading the data from a file. Okay, okay. Tell me the code. You are making time waste. Tell me the code. New, new file, file reader. Absolutely. New file reader. Okay. And here what we need to go? We need to go with the file path equal to fr belongs to file reader, and throws throws exception. Now I want to read the data from file one. Okay. Let me just try to give the path file one, and I'm giving the path. Okay. And after that, system.out.println, system.out.println, connection created. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, connection created. After that, int I. Okay, after that, while impressed. While, come on. While I equal to fr dot read. Just a second. I equal to fr dot read. It should not be equal to -1. After that, system dot out dot println I. I just need to typecast. Just let me try to remove this. And then system dot out dot println data RETRIVED data retrieved. File operations one done. Next one. Please tell me. OPRATIONS file operations two. PRATIONS. Okay, file operations two. THROWS throws exception and system dot out dot println. Please tell me. Writing the data into a file, writing the data into a file. Go ahead. New, file writer, impressed. New file writer. Here, what we need to give file path. Okay. File path go ahead, equal to FW belongs to file writer. Okay. And just let me try to write connection created. Here, am I forgetting anything? FR dot, you need to tell me here. Okay, connection created. Now here we need to give the file path. Let me just try to give the file path. Yesterday, file 3. I'm going with file 4. I'm going with file 4. Okay. Now string message equal to TODAY. Today is SATURDAY. Saturday. I'm just trying to write like this. Today is Saturday. Now I want to write. Yeah, sure. I want to write. Tell me FW dot write. Just can I go with directly message? Can I go directly message? Okay, you know why? Because in byte streams, we need to go with byte array. But here, what is the parameter? Directly string, right? So here, that's what I'm trying to go with directly message. That's it, done. System dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, data, ENTER, data entered. And after that, let me just try to FW dot close. All right. Second method also completed. Let's go with one more method. Void file OPERATIONS file operations 3. After that, THROWS throws exception. Now, okay, first things first, let me just try to write a system dot out dot println copying. So copying the data into a file. Okay. So first things first, I need to create an object for file reader. I need to create an object for file writer. And let me just try to go. This is for I'm copying the data into file 5. Okay. After that, just for our understanding purpose, connection created. After that, tell me the code. New, int I. Okay, okay. Int I. After that, while I equal to fr dot fr dot read should not be equal to -1, and here fr dot write writ, sorry, fw dot write, and I'm just trying to give my I value. That's it, done. System dot out dot println data COPI data copied, and fr dot close, fw dot close. You wasted 5. Otherwise, it would be completed in 5 minutes only. Yesterday, how much time we took? Entire session. Yes or no? Same code as it is, same code. Let's execute. Let's execute. Let me go to my main method. Let me go to my main method. Now, inside my main method, okay, new class A equal to AOBJ belongs to class A and simply AOBJ dot file operations 1, AOBJ dot file operations 2 dot file operations 3. And here we need to go with the throws exception. Let me first try to go with file operations 1. Right click, run as Java application. Am I able to read the data? Yes. Let me go with the next one. Keeping like this. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Data entered. Is file 4 created? Of course, it got created. Today is Saturday. You know, if you want to add some more data, what we need to do today is Saturday. Just I'm trying to write today is Saturday. Okay, we can just like this. Now here what I need to write, and I just need to write one more parameter just like true. If I am executing this, now data entered file 4, today is just a second. Today is Saturday weekend. You know this, right? Okay, that's it. Okay. And again, if I want to if I want to copy the data from one file to another file, from file 4 to file 5, data copied. This is file 4. I am opening file 5. Happily, I'm able to copy the data. Sir, can I copy the image also? We'll do one thing. Let me just try to go like pick one dot JPEG, JPE. Okay, JPG, and here also I'll go with pic2.jpg. Okay, just like this. Now, yesterday, I don't know whether you remember or not, it took us little bit time for to create the web page. Yes or no? Do you remember that? Let's see. Right click, run as Java application, pick one, pick two. Okay. See how much fast it completed? Yes or no? Now, tell me which one is better, byte streams or character streams? Let me open. This is our pick one. This is the pick one which we are trying to copy, right? And this is pick two which we had copied. You will not be able to copy multimedia data by using character streams. In character streams, remember the data will be transferred in the form of characters. How can you transfer a multimedia data in the form of characters, guys? Absolutely not. Is that clear? So remember, byte streams are used to transfer both textual data and multimedia data. Character streams are recommended for transferring textual data, not for multimedia data. Got it? Kindly please have this in your notes. Please keep your setting as character streams. Please have this in your notes and then go with the program. Is it done? Can I go with the code? Please go ahead. Try to write it by your own if possible. Just try, just try, just try to write it by your own. I guess file operations one complete for everyone. No? You want me to scroll down? Please. Can you? Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat. Online students, if completed, I want you to kindly please message me in the chat. Is it done, guys? Done? Okay. Now, so yes, we know we are having four types of streams are there. Yesterday we discussed about byte streams, entire session. Today we completed character streams in 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. I already told you, if you are understanding yesterday's session, coming today and Monday session is also very, very easy. Now let's discuss about buffered streams. Please keep us hiding as buffered streams. Note on a small point for me. Buffered streams. Note on a small point. A buffer is a portion in the memory. A buffer is a buffer is a portion in the memory that is used to store that is used to store a stream of data. That is used to store a stream of data. Next point. In IO operations, in IO operations, each in IO operations, each read or write request in IO operations, each read or write request is is directly handled by the underlying operating system, underlying operating system, which makes our program, which makes our program much less efficient, which makes our program much less efficient because, next point, because each such request is, note on the points exactly what I am saying, because each such request is directly handled by the, each such request is directly handled by the operating system, which triggers, directly handled by the operating system, which triggers disk access, disk access, comma, network activity, network activity, comma, some other operations, some other operations which are, which are relatively expensive, which are relatively expensive. Next point. In order to overcome this problem, in order to overcome this problem, we need to use, we need to use buffered streams. We need to use buffered streams. Next point. Buffered streams are, buffered streams are exactly same like, buffered streams are exactly same like byte streams and character streams, byte streams and character streams, but with more efficiency, but with more efficiency. Dot. Okay. Guys, byte streams and character streams, we know how to read and write and copy the data by using byte streams and character streams. Okay, those are good. I'm not saying bad. But when you're dealing with byte streams and character streams, from the Java program directly we are connecting to the file. Where is the file present? The file is present in your laptop. If there is any problem occurred in the file, automatically our program also will be getting affected. Means if there is some virus in that file, automatically your program also will be getting affected. Every time you need to access the network, every time that disk should be accessed, like C drive, D drive, like that, that is relatively expensive. In order to overcome that problem, what we'll be having, we'll be having a concept known as buffer. Okay. In your Oracle, you need to use the command commit. Why? If you are not using commit, what happens? Where the data will be stored? Are you understanding exact? Tell me what is the use of commit here? What is the use of commit? If you are using commit command, the data will be saved permanently. If you're not using commit, where is that data? The data is present inside a buffer. In Oracle, they may say instance, but in Java, buffer. I mean, terminologies may be different, but idea is same. So basically, what is a buffer? Buffer is nothing but a portion in the memory. Okay. From the Java program, we will send the request to the buffer. From that buffer, that request will be going to the file. From the file, the data will be coming to the buffer. From that buffer, it will be coming to the Java program. There will not be any direct interaction between the Java program and the file. Are you understanding the point here? These are known as buffered streams. Remember, buffered streams exactly same like byte streams and character streams. They will work exactly same like byte streams and character streams. Same read method, same write method, parameterized method, same, but with more efficiency. Means, for example, let me just try to, okay. Now, we are dealing with, tell me, buffer streams. There are two types of buffer streams are there. Buffered byte streams, buffered character streams. Now, in buffered byte streams, we are having directly implementation classes. Direct implementation classes. Buffered input stream, buffered output stream. For buffered input stream, we need to use file input stream as a source for its data. For the buffered output stream, we need to use file output stream as a source for its data. When you're speaking about buffered character streams, there are two. What are those? Buffered reader, buffered writer. For buffered reader, file reader should be like a source. For buffered writer, file writer should be like a source. Are you getting the point? We'll do one thing. Let's try to read the data, read the data by using buffered input streams. Shall we? You didn't respond. Okay, now please observe here. I'm not going to go with all this. Okay, reading the data from a file by using buffered byte streams. How many types of buffered streams are there? Come on, two types. What are those? Buffered byte streams, buffered character streams. Okay, okay. Now I want to read the data by using buffered byte streams. Okay. Okay. Now, please tell me the code loudly. We are not using file input stream. We are using buffered input stream. So tell me, new, buffered input stream. For this buffered input stream, we need to use file input stream as a source for its data. For this buffered input stream, we are passing file input stream object as its parameter. Okay, let me remove this. For example, starting from here up to here, I'll remove this. Equal to BIS belongs to buffered input stream. Okay. Am I getting an error? Am I getting an error? Sir, why we are getting an error? We need to give the file path. No. No, 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 no. If you are giving a file path like this, we will be getting an error. We need to give the file path as a parameter for file input stream. That is the reason I am saying you for buffered input stream, file input stream will be working as a source for its data. That is the reason inside this, I am going to write the file input stream. Here I'll be giving the file path. Okay. Let me just try to go with the file. Just a second. I'm going with the file path. Okay. After that, system.out.println, CONNECT1 connection created, CREATT connection created. Now, I challenge you, tell me the code. What is the last point you have written? Please read the last point. Please read the last point. Buffered streams are, buffer streams are exactly same like byte streams and character streams, but with more efficiency. Tell me the code, guys. I want to read the data. Read the data. What is that? Int I. Okay. Int I. After that, while, go ahead. While I equal to, exactly. BIS dot read should not be equal to -1. After that, system dot out dot println. Tell me, and here what I need to write, I need to typecast into char. Just let me try to keep it like this. And here system dot out dot println data, data RETRIVED, data retrieved. Just let me try to keep it like this. And am I forgetting anything? BIS dot close. Right click, run as Java application. Exactly same. Exactly same, but with more efficiency. If you want to go with buffered byte streams, please observe the code. New, is it little bit blur? Little bit blur is there. Okay, we'll try to sort it out. Okay. Tell me, if I want to go with buffered byte streams, new buffered input stream, we need to give file input stream as a source for its data. Buffered output stream, new buffered output stream. For buffered output stream, we need to use file output stream as a source for its data. Please respond, guys. Are you understanding me? When you're speaking about buffered reader, exactly the same. Same. New buffered reader. For buffered reader, what we need to use? File reader as a source. For buffered writer, we need to use file writer as a source for its data. As it is, as it is. So what I want you to do, first have this in your notes. Go ahead. Kindly please try to have this in your notes first. Is it blur or only I'm looking like that? Is it okay? Please. Online students, if completed, kindly please respond to me in the chat. All right, I guess it's complete, guys. Okay, now can you please have this program in your notes? Go ahead. Please go ahead. Completed? Online students, I want you to kindly please respond in the chat for me. All right. Okay. I hope it's done, guys, for everyone. Guys, I have a small task for you. By using buffered streams, I want you to copy the data. Not right now. Take it as a task. By using buffered streams, copy the data. Copy that. You can use both buffered byte streams and buffered character strings. Copy the data. Why? Because if you want to copy the data, pretty much damn sure you need to read and write. So both the operations will be covered. Is that okay? Kindly please try to take that as a task. Enough for today. Enough for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by Monday. Saturday, weekend, enough. Still some time is there 10 minutes, but I don't want to continue. Enough for as of now today, right? And Monday, we'll be completing with our IOStreams. From Tuesday onwards, we are going to start with collection framework, right? Dot. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Online students, I believe you enjoyed our today's sessions, guys. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.